What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in, it's like been almost 2 weeks. We have been, well, first of all, we went to New York for like 3 or 4 or 5 days, Wednesday to Monday, over Labor Day weekend for my mom's birthday. Visited family and stuff. Was a good trip. And then we got back and we just started hitting hay like crazy. We got these fields cut. We have down by the tool shed, I can probably zoom in, you guys can probably see it. But down there, right there, all cut. The farmer that farms our ground didn't get his crops put in, so he planted sorghum grass. And they actually are baling all that, and I don't even know how many bales he's gotten off of that. But we got this stuff right next to the house cut and baled. And then we are probably going to end up cutting more tonight and tomorrow. That's actually where my cousin Clayton's at. He's down the road cutting for a local guy, or just our neighbor or whatever down there that's got horses. He's doing that while I tedded and raked and everything. But I figured I would go ahead and wash the truck since it hasn't had a bath and I don't even know how long. But I mean, it is dirty. The inside is bad. I mean, the dash, just look at that line. Yeah, it's bad. Center console's all gross. So I'm at least trying to get the outside sprayed off and cleaned up a little bit, get the mud and everything washed up on the underneath side. For this video, at least get something out for you guys. But as far as the 79 goes, I'm hoping we can get it fired up here real soon. I know Chad's been working on it. He actually had a look at Jimmy's truck. My dad bought that 75 GMC, and Jimmy's actually making payments to my dad for it, so it'll end up being Jimmy's truck. So Jimmy took that truck over there so Chad could look at some of the wiring stuff just to make sure he got it all hooked up right, and then hopefully we can turn the key. I found an aftermarket company. It's called Wagon Works. They actually made a power steering bracket that will work on that truck to hold or replace the factory one, not the one that goes around the power steering, but the one behind it. I can probably show you on my truck real quick of what I'm talking about. It's basically this bracket right here that I'm pointing to, the one that's got this big oval in it. But the square bodies, they'll screw in to where the head is and then come off and attach to this front bracket on the power steering, so it kind of like loops around and holds it tight. So I had to order the one that will screw in back there, but it should be here hopefully within the next week. I ordered a battery tray also for the 79, and it still hasn't gotten here, and I ordered it the Thursday before Labor Day weekend, so hopefully it'll be getting here soon. But enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and jump in and get this thing washed off, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. So let's get at it. Okay guys, we are back. You've seen that I got that all washed off. The wheels are terrible. I mean, they're just black water come pouring out of them. But I got my soap and water there, my towel there, that's the word. So at work we have like the car wash brushes, like a broom handle with like a bristle head on it that we use to wash. I don't like using those on my vehicles just because they can collect debris unless you spray them out after every use. I have some that I use and I typically spray them out after every wash when I get done using them. But on dark vehicles, so like dark blue like this, black, dark gray, whatever dark vehicle you have, even like a dark green like that Mini Cooper there, typically wash in one direction. If you like go like circle motion and you scratch it, you will see those circle motions more than if you wash in a single direction. You can even go check out Chemical Guys. I actually watched a video on there and they said the exact same thing, so I'm gonna take it from them just because they're the pros. I mean, I knew that from just experience and stuff washing these, but after they said it, I'm like, yeah, it must be true. So anyway, just wash in one direction. Don't do that Mr. Miyagi like wax on, wax off stuff. Just, you're gonna scratch your paint. So we're gonna get to washing this and I'll pick you guys up once we get done. Hopefully the truck will look a little bit better. Like I said, it needs to be painted in the worst way. I have the new bed. I just need to put everything on. Get new fenders, new cab corners, get the other door fixed. But trying to get the 79 done. But anyway guys, I'm gonna get to it, so stay tuned and sit tight. Okay guys, that looks 10 times better. I'm glad the wax I put on is still beating up the water. I put that on before we left for New York actually. Wheels are all good and clean. I sprayed up underneath of it, all the undercarriage there, shot the front. It should stay clean for a little bit now. Got the tips all cleaned up, so it looks good. I took this 4x4 decal off, but I ran out of eraser wheel on this side, so this side still has it. But I'm not sure when I go to repaint this truck if I'm going to put the 4x4 decals back on it. If I do, it'll probably be like a darker silver with like a black stripe or something along those lines that kind of match out like the blackout look. I am a fan of these factory taillights. I like these. If I could find some of these in like a tinted or black, I can probably even get the vinyl wrap and do it myself. But I like those. And then I just really need to fix all the rust holes, coat the frame, and this truck will be pretty decent for the next however many years. I think the next thing I might end up doing is building the trans up. I got a local transmission shop here that would probably build it for, I don't know, $2,000 maybe. I would say it's the 4L80E, so they're pretty common. Rebuild kits are pretty common. If I got it rebuilt, I would probably kind of upgrade it a little bit too. But I think the truck looks good. It was a well-deserved bath. I need to take the traction bars off and actually paint those black. I wasn't sure what color I wanted to go with, so I just shot some, I would call it Plasti Dip, but I'm pretty sure it's Rust-Oleum brand on there. So I'm going to pull those off and get those painted black. Here's the side without the 4x4 decal. So you guys let me know what you think, 4x4 decal or not, if we redo it. I'm probably going to upgrade to the newer style 2500 badges too, the 2500 HD badges, because those will be black. I'm going to eliminate all the chrome on this truck other than like the machine lip on the wheels, but I might end up going to black wheels also, so everything will be black or blue or color matched. I was contemplating trying to go up. When I mean go up, go like a lift. If I got one, I'd only want to go up 4 inches, but they don't make a 4-inch for these trucks. They make a 6, an 8, and a 10-inch, I think. And then obviously you have like your 2-inch with like the torsion key up front, and then either a block or add a leaf in the back. I did the add a leaf, and it is leveled right now. I am running 16x10 with a -38 offset, and all I had to do is trim a little bit off the rear there and then notch out the bumper, and it turns. So I mean, I could probably stuff a 20x12 with a -44 offset on here if I wanted to. I might end up doing that eventually, but that will be after like the trans build and stuff like that. So I mean, the truck looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and probably pull it off to the side here and get in and get this video edited. Sorry it's not much. Sorry I haven't uploaded in, like, it almost feels like 2 weeks, but I think it's only been a week, just because we've been so busy with the hay and stuff, and it sounds like we're still gonna be busy all the way through about next week, just trying to get everything cut. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. I am the GM Man. Be sure to leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell notification, and we'll catch you. Oh, before I leave, I am a new affiliate for Loud and Proud. So what that means is I have an actual coupon code. If you go and use my coupon code and buy merch off his website, I actually get some of the money back from that. So if any of you guys are watching this and you go over to his website and buy something, make sure to use my code, because that money that comes back will help me build my content for you guys. It'll help with future builds, buying future trucks, all that fun stuff. So I will actually be leaving that coupon code down in the description of the video. It'll be probably the first one. So be sure to copy and paste that. It might even be a link to go over to it, but make sure to use that. I get money back. It helps me out. It helps him out. I believe he's getting ready to announce the next giveaway truck, so be sure to watch out for his videos. And yeah, so subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.